So I wanted to share a little packing video with you and let you know what I brought on my trip, 2-week trip to Paris for French art school. And let me show you what I brought. I really like a suitcase that flips open, so it doesn't take as much space when you sit it out. Right here, I'm using packing cubes. I've got a cube for pants, one for shoes. Then right over here, I have a pack for tops. This is underwear and tank tops, jewelry, charging. This is a hair tool that does 4 things in one. All of my toiletries, scarves, these are my PJs, a coat, then I have a travel pillow and an eye mask. And then, of course, the always ubiquitous Sherri Jessee makeup bag and makeup palette. So everything packs right into this one carry-on, and you're good to go. When it comes to toiletries, you want to make sure that everything is downsized. This is my own little brand of handmade essential oils. We got our toothbrush. This is a chopstick for my hair, shampoo, conditioner, my face cream, glue peel pads, a hairbrush, a tiny deo. This is actually a hair smoothing lotion, hairspray, fragrance body lotion, and a bronzer. And that's all. Keep in mind, the smaller your toiletries are, the lighter the weight. And the lighter the weight, the easier your bag is to carry. Now you may ask, what am I going to carry in my purse? And this is a beautiful hand-beaded bag my friend Linda gave me. I always travel with wet ones. And this little guy right here, oh gosh, let me get it open. Earplugs, I always wear these on the airplane. And then right here, I've got Dramamine, which helps me in case I get queasy. I usually take like a half of a Dramamine, and I also have Benadryl in case I can't sleep at night. That may help. And I keep that in this little tiny box. Right here, in this right here, I have 2 pairs of eyeglasses inside here. Right here, this is my passport holder, and I have my money, my passport, and I also have just a few credit cards and my insurance card. And all of this is bound together with a hair tie in case I need a hair tie. So again, not a heavy wallet, not anything big or heavy, but just this, which is very light. And that is all I carry in my purse, and it takes care of all of my needs. Some may ask, what do I put in my suitcase? What do I wear? You've seen my outfits of the day. Let me show you how I achieve them. So you're going to keep your packing to a minimum. Pants, compression leggings, black jeans, blue jeans, white jeans. Tops, I like to have one fancy one. This is actually a leopard dress that I can also wear as a dress. I've got a vest, black vest, a splurge, I got 2. A black short sleeve sweater, a black blouse, black long sleeve sweater. Same with the tops, long sleeve sweater, long sleeve blouse, short sleeve sweater, short sleeve vest. Underwears, I've got 2 pair underwears, 2 camisoles that I wash out and wear every other day. Easy. And then in this little thing here, I have scarves, a short one, a medium one, and a long one. And that takes all of your outfits and tricks them out. And this jacket, kind of a longer jacket, always make sure your coat has pockets. And this is very fun and versatile. And what about footwear? On travel day, I wear the leggings, which are compression leggings, these socks, and then I love a tall boot, so I wear these tall boots. I wear them on travel day. They're easy to take on and off in the TSA line if I have to. And it's also the larger item, so I don't have to worry about putting it in my suitcase. Then, and I only take one pair of socks. You could take two, but I wash these out at night, hang them to dry, and they're good to go the next morning. Okay, I always take these little flip-flops, these Havaianas. I've had these literally since 2008. They take up no space at all in your luggage. So I also recommend wearing some kind of a heel, something kind of fancy if you're going out at night. And then I got my little Golden Goose sneakers, which are perfect to wear with any outfit. Bon voyage!